to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I want to share with you a ice cream candy gourmet that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: frozen strawberries, whipped cream, sugar, strawberry extract, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and of course our little baggies. This is everything we need to make this delicious ice candy gourmet. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. So let's get started. I have a saucepan here. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding all the frozen strawberries. I have about 2 cups of frozen strawberries, and I'm going to add the granulated sugar right on top, and let's take it and start cooking it. Let's take it to the stove. My stove is on. I'm gonna add the strawberries, and we're gonna go ahead and mix them around until all the sugar has melted and got all the way to the bottom. The strawberry will start loosening up, releasing all the juices. And look at this. We want this to be chunky. We want our strawberries to get nice and soft, yet we don't want it as a puree. We want to make sure that all the sugar really dissolves and the strawberry releases all those flavors. And to bring it up a notch, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract. So let's keep cooking it. It takes a little bit, but believe me, these strawberries are going to really get really juicy and are going to release all the flavor. We want the sugar to be completely dissolved. Okay, this is nice and started already boiling. I have it in very low heat, and now I'm gonna add the strawberry extract. I want you to, look at it, because once I add it, the color really turns really bright red, and the flavor, well, is just amazing. This strawberry extract really brings up all the flavor of the strawberry. It's really concentrated. Here, this is done. Let me show it to you how it looks. And this is perfect. The strawberry is really nice and soft. And now I'm gonna remove it from the stove and start letting it cool down slowly. Here, I'm gonna start by adding all the milks. I'm gonna start by adding the evaporated milk and my condensed milk. We wanna make sure that we add everything in here. Everything should be nice and incorporated. To this, I am going to add the whipping cream, making sure that I add the 1 whole can of whipping cream, and I'm using the can of the evaporated milk. I'm just adding 1 cup, just like that. Okay, this is completely done. Now we're gonna go ahead and just mix it around, making sure that everything is really nice and incorporated. It really takes time, but make sure that all that condensed milk, it's not on the bottom. We want to make sure that everything is combined. My strawberry is here. As you can see, it's still nice and hot. I'm just going to let it rest. I'm going to continue with the mixture and making sure that the condensed milk is completely dissolved. This is really good. I'm not adding anything else. What I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer it to this little cup so that it makes it easier for me to add it to the little plastic bags. This is what I like to do. So like that, I try not to make too much mess, okay? So here I have another cup, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add the strawberry mixture in here. Let's see, I'm going to try and add everything in here. All those juices, we want to make sure that we get all the juices from the saucepan. Okay, this is done. And now I am ready to start with my little plastic bags. I want to give you two options how to fill your plastic bags. They are very small. Look how I put it in between my fingers so that the opening is really nice and open, okay? I'm going to start by adding the milk, and let's do it slowly so that the milk, won't spill and won't get all over the place. And then I'm going to add the strawberries. That's one option. The second option is this one, where you just put it in between, add with the tablespoon, add the strawberries. Whichever idea is better for you, whichever is more comfortable for you. You know something? And here I'm adding the milk. And you could make them as big or as small as you want. I usually like to do them 4 to 5 inches, fill the little bag about 4 to 5 inches, so that when they're ready, everybody enjoys one. And look how beautiful they look. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tie it. And the little plastic right on the top at the end, I'm going to cut it. Look at this. I'm doing it the same way, and I'm going to spoon in the strawberries. They're still a little hot, but that's okay. Just make sure you don't add them when they're very hot, okay? I don't want you to get burned. And here I'm adding the milk. My kids really love doing this. When they are home, they help me prepare them, and I try to make a variety of ideas and of mixtures so that they really enjoy it. And you know something? It's much cheaper to make them at home than to going and buying every single one individually. Here at home, you know how much sugar you're adding to your ice little bags, but this just comes out delicious. I am going to continue doing the same thing, spooning them in there. I'm going to get about 5 to 6 of them with this mixture. And remember to use the juices of the strawberry. We don't want to leave that behind, okay? And here I'm adding the milk. Look at this. This comes out so delicious. Even the grown-ups really love these ice creams. And here, this one is a little bigger. I think this is the one that's going to be for me. Well, I'm already talking about that. Let me continue doing the rest of them, and I'll show you when I'm completely done. They really come out delicious. And they look so beautiful. Here I'm completely done with the mixture. I got 6 of them. I have my scissors here, and I'm just going to cut the edges of the plastic so that they look really nice and the presentation looks even better. Well, here I'm just cutting it, and I'm going to show them to you so that you could see how they look in the little baggies, how the mixture looks. Every single one looks different. I took the little edges off, and look at this. Look how they look from the inside. Every single one is going to look different. I'm going to take them to the refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. They got to be nice and frozen. Here, I just got them out of the refrigerator. They were overnight, and look how delicious they look. Look how beautiful and delicious this looks. Now I am ready for the presentation. I hope, my friends, you make it at home and enjoy it with your family like I do with mine. I'll see you in a little bit. Enjoy. I am done with this ice candy. A gourmet, very delicious, very creamy. And you guys know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipes. This is a perfect dessert for summer. The kids could help you. If you have kids at home, grandkids, well, they could help you prepare this delicious ice cream. You know, this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. I already cut the center, and now I'm ready to taste. I know that it's very creamy. Excuse me. The strawberry and the combinations of the 3 milks, just perfection. Definitely something delicious, made at home with a lot of love. And you know what you are offering your family. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video in social media with your family, with your friends, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for playing my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did already, it's activated. So every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. I want to say thank you so much for being here with me. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this ice candy. Bye-bye.